Hello everyone, welcome to Excel Dose. In this video we'll learn what are the core difference in Google Sheet versus Excel. So let's get started with the video. The first difference is VLOOKUP. You might think how it could be a different in Excel as well as in the Google Sheet. So now as you can see in book 1 I have some raw data and in book 2 I have some another raw data, right? And if we need here the base salary which is present in book 2, for that what we have to do is we have to type here VLOOKUP and then the employee ID, and then we'll go to the second sheet and then we'll select here 2,0 and then we'll get the base salary for this particular employee. So now let's try the same thing in the Google Sheet. Now as you can see we have a same set of data in our one of the spreadsheet, and in the same way we have another data in spreadsheet 2. So now if I want to do the VLOOKUP in this particular sheet from the reference of this particular spreadsheet, so what we have to do, we have to type here VLOOKUP and then select the employee ID. And if I want to give the reference from the another spreadsheet, there is no method or any alternative to do that one. So for that what you have to do is you have to create another sheet here in that particular spreadsheet, then only you can do the VLOOKUP in Google Sheet. The next difference is split the data. As you can see I have some raw data in our notepad. If I want to split this particular data into different cells, so what we have to do is first we have to copy this data and then paste in the Excel. Now if you still want to split this data into different cells, so what we have to do is we have to go to the data section and then click on text to column, and then here we have to select the delimited and then click on the next. Now you can see our value is split. We have to split the value by different way, like one is like a dot and the second one is with the underscore. So now if I want to type here underscore and at the same time I want to go with the dot also, so it will not allow me to add the second parameter, so which is the one of the drawback in the Excel. So let's try the same thing in the Google Sheet. So I will paste the same data here and then we'll type here equal to, and then we'll type here split, and then we'll select the text, and then the next parameter is delimiter. So now here what we have to do is we have to type first is like dot, it should be split by dot, and the next is like underscore, okay, and then we'll select the enter, and now you can see the same data is split in the different cells. So this is one of the best feature in the Google Sheet. The next difference is autofill. So suppose if I want to concatenate these two things, employee ID as well as the employee name for this complete data, so what we have to do is we have to type here concatenate, and then we'll select the first value and the second value and then press the enter button. Now you can see the formula is applied only in the one cell, right? And if I want to apply the formula to other cell, so we have to drag the formula. So now let's try the same thing in the Google Sheet. So again we'll type here concatenate and then select the first value and then select the second value. The moment you press the enter button, you can see it shows you the can you apply the same formula to the other cell. If you feel that yes we have to apply the same formula, you can click on this one or you can press the control enter key. So now you can see the same formula is applied to the different rows. The next difference is data validation. So now if you want to apply your data validation in Excel, so what you have to do is you have to go to the data and then click on the data validation, and here we'll select the data validation again. Then we have to select from the list, then the source will be this particular thing. Now if you can see here Excel Dose as well as the James Bond is repeated 2 times. Now if I select here the source, our source will be this one, and then we'll press the OK. Now you can see Excel dose is repeated 2 times, as well as the James Bond is also repeated 2 times. So now let's try the same thing in the Google Sheet. So now you can see I have a same set of data here. So what we have to do is we have to go to the data section here, then click on the data validation, and here we have to select the list from a range, and then we'll select the range here. So I will select this complete range, and then we'll select the save. Now you can see here Excel dose and James Bond is also repeated 2 times. So let's try in the Google Sheet. You can see Excel dose is repeated only 1 time, as well as the James Bond is also repeated 1 time. The next difference is check the history. So now if you want to check the history in Excel, so what we have to do is we have to press the Ctrl Z and we'll go to the previous history, right? And if we want to, or if we want to use the same thing in the Google Sheet, so in the Google Sheet there is an option called as a check the history. So for that what we have to do is we have to simply click on this one, and here you can see all the history. And if you expand this particular thing, you can see at what time what history is made. And if you want to go for this particular history, you can simply click on these 3 dots and you can make a copy, or you can restore this version also. So these are some difference in Excel versus Google Sheet. I hope you like this video. Please like, share and subscribe to Excel Dose. Thank you so much for watching.